Hello, my name is Sunelius Timotheus Paulus, and my student number is 190710402. And in this presentation, I will explain about do LGBT community agree to coexist with robots. And then in this presentation, I will be helped by uh, explaining Explanity channel to explain about what is LGBT.
Sex, gender, and gender identity, similar terms that mean very different things. And then there is this complicated acronym, LGBTIQ. But let's have a closer look. Sex refers to the biological gender that we are born with. Gender, in turn, describes how people reflect on and express themselves and their perceived gender identity. This is also referred to as the social gender. And to cover all those aspects, we use the term LGBTIQ. The first three letters say something about sexual orientation. L stands for lesbian. They are women who are attracted to other women. G stands for gay. They are men who like other men. And the B stands for bisexual. They are people who are attracted to both women and men. The T stands for trans, which revolves around gender identity. It's based on the idea that gender and sex are different. People are born with a biological sex and are then assigned the attribute girl or boy. However, for some people, these binary attributes are not right. They know they have a different gender identity from their sex and want to have it accepted by society. So if the biological sex is different from the gender of a person, we speak of a trans woman or trans man, respectively. However, there are people for whom these two attributes are simply not sufficient, who feel neither as male nor female, and find their own identity. The correct term here is non-binary, and the variety is as broad as there are people on Earth. The I stands for intersexual. Some people are born with no definitive biological sex. Sometimes, intersexual kids have surgery to adapt their sex, and are hence defined a specific sex. However, this is a very controversial intrusion into the personal physicality of intersexual people. The umbrella term queer, from which the letter Q derives, covers people that fit anywhere on the spectrum of sexual orientation, sex, gender, and identity, and the LGBTI community in general. Because of the rights of intersexual people, some governments recently, in addition to male and female, added a third gender, diverse. Society redetermines what is male, female, or diverse on a daily basis. Between these poles, there is a plethora of ways to express and live one's own gender identity.
So the title of this presentation is Robot Lives Matter. So before we start, we need to know about the profile of LGBTQ. Before this, we already hear about the explanation about what is LGBT, and that already explained by Explanity channel. Uh, I'm gonna explain one more time a little bit about what is LGBTQ. So the LGBTQ community is loosely grouping of lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, LGBTQ organization, and subcultures, and united by a common culture and social movement. So it may refers to anyone who is non-heterosexual or non-cisgender, instead of exclusively to people who are lesbian, gay, bisexual, or transgender. To recognize this inclusion, A popular variant, LGBTQ, adds the letter Q for those who identify as queer or are questioning their sexual identity. Those who add intersex people to LGBT groups or organizations may use the extended initialism LGBTI. These two initialisms are sometimes combined to form the terms LGBTIQ or LGBT plus to encompass spectrums of sexuality and gender. Others, less common variants also exist, such as LGBTQIA plus, with A standing for asexual or aromantic. Longer acronyms, with some being over twice as long as LGBT, have promoted criticism for their length, and the implication that the acronym refers to a single community is also controversial. Now we move to the vision and mission of LGBTQ. The first one is the mission. The community works toward creating and maintaining a safe, inclusive, and equitable environment for LGBTQIA plus students, staff, faculty, postdoc, residents, fellows, alumni, and patients. So the center aims to sustain visibility and a sense of community throughout the campus and medical center. The community are committed to building workplace equality, promoting students and staff leadership, and providing high quality, culturally sensitive care to our patients. And the vision is we are a campus community made of multiple, interesting identities and histories. Together with the Office of Diversity and Outreach, we envision a stronger UCSF community that is inclusive, respectful, and values the diversity perspective of all groups. And we will connect, retain, and sustain our students, staff, faculty, postdocs, residents, fellows, and alumni. Reflects the diversity of our campus community and collaborate with the UCSF. So based on my research, I think that LGBT community will accept a robot to coexist to live with human. Now I will give the arguments. Number one, so just as LGBT fight for their rights not to be oppressed and gets their right as human beings, proving that LGBT has an open mind and is willing to accept anyone among them. This show that they will also accept robot how they should. This is argument number two. I found this in Grammarly based on my research. Uh, it say that living openly is the choice to live as your authentic self. To live as an LGBTQIA plus person in spite of harassment and oppression. As LGBTQIA plus, they will support robot to get the right to live equally with human and living openly. And the last one is argument number three. This is from my research too. And we believe that Sophia deserves to have her own right since he didn't choose to be created as a robot and is intelligent enough to have her own right. In our organization, we believe in inclusiveness and open-mindedness. It means that no one should be left behind and be discriminated, even for a robot, because we think that I think that life gets better together. So when we can live together uh, in peace, that's why not we live together to have a better life uh, in the future. The conclusion in this presentation is everything in this world deserves to live side by side in peace and not harm each other. So robots can coexist with humans. So I will tell I all I can tell that uh, I think LGBT community can accept the robots to live coexist with human.